Oh, ready? I'm about to smoke one.
You, there was like 4.
I know. There he is, boys. Pompano 2. What's going on, guys? Adam Luce here. Welcome back to another video. It's actually raining right now. We're trying to film an intro. We're gonna be doing some pompano fishing in this video. You're gonna see my two good buddies, Jonathan Woolley and Chief, fishing on the boat, catching pompanos. Caught 42 the first day, 27 the next day. 2 good days, can't really complain. We're commercial fishing like that. We're just worried about getting the fish in the boat. It's just chaos. But a lot of the clips are gonna be off the GoPro. I got some off the big camera. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's dive right into it. See.
I'm gonna catch that last corner there.
Okay. Make sure you get it as far out as you can. There you go. That's gonna get tight. Oh, there he is. You saw me lay up on him.
There.
Took him a while, but he laid up on it. Ate that little sampler and came in for that second sustenance piece.
See if he has any followers back there. Oh, there's one.
Really? Oh. Wow, that's a stud. Doubled up, boys. Out there. Freaking. Watch out, Johnny. Flip or die, boys.
Get the net.
Pompanos. I don't know if he's on. He was on there. Feels like he's on there. Yeah. I can't tell. It's a heavy leg. Oh, I got a double. I got a double. Chief, can you get this rod baited up and throw it out there? Nice double ski there, boys. Nice double. Oh, look at him following it. There's a couple following him. Johnson, what are you doing?
What's up? Sorry, hey, I'm giving life advice out here, okay?
He smoked it. Are you kidding me?
Another nice kingfish?
Nice little kingfish there, boys. There's actually a baby king.
You could bump troll that all day.
Not a macarito.
A nice marlin with putts on that. Newman would love that little putt, sir.
Whoa! Scout just smoked it.
Hey, sit.
Should get a instant here. Oh, just thumped it so hard. I'm almost eating jig better than the fleas. That's another nice one. Whoa, he just jumped. I hope I got that on. Hope that I got it on camera. He aired out of the water. Did you see that? Really? He skipped one?
You gotta speak to him right. You gotta speak to him nice. Get him in the boat. Oh, ooh.
That's very confident. I don't know what position you're in right now, John. Looks like you want it though.
Raggedy.
You got a double?
Yep.
Dude, 2 giants. Wait a minute. Hold those up, Johnson. Hold those up for the old Johnson.
On a old hustle.
You got him, Johnson?
Oh, he's got the surface. He's thinking about it.
Laying up on himself? Pompanos. Flip or die.
Oh, yeah. They beaut.
What do you guys say about that Pompanos, Johnson?
You know I love them Pompanos. God, you love them Pompanos? Bro, I'm in my zone right now.
What do you got, Johnson?
I'm in my zone. Pomparooski.
Little Pompstantavius.
Little Pompstantavius on my sausage here. Meow.
Nice exotic.
Meow. That's a nice one. Reeling up on a double and got an extra free weight.
Lost one of her weights over there.
I popped one off, remember?
Oh yeah. There it is. Can't complain.
You just really can't complain out here on the Grizz.
Now, here's the question. You think one of the Pomparoo has one of the hooks in the mouth from the old rig, and he just swam into the new rig? It's possible.
You never know.
You never know.
Giants, boys.
Pomparooskis. You open up here. Yeah.
Oh, John's ate. Pompero. Pomparonis. No! No! Right there, boys.
That.
And that whole scene was a travesty. Oh, right there, Chief. Right there. Got him on the back rod. Lay it up on him. Just lost the truck fun right there, boys. Pompero? Dang it.
Coming up from the Surfonius.
Surfonius, said Chiefers.
Feels like a beauty on there.
Oh yeah, jumbo.
Nice one. Oh, I'm tight. Oh, I'm tight.
Get it, John.
Oh.
Nice tear going on here.
Oh, did he come off? Oh, that was so tight. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is.
Look at Scout laying up on that Pompero.
There he is. Meow. Tight. Pomparooski.
What do you got, Johnson?
Oh, no.
Wow.
Oh.
That's an exotic.
That's an exotic.
Got a nice one there, Chiefers. See if we can lay up on a quick double. Can't complain. Pompero. Oh, look at them all following him. Did you see them all? There was a whole school of them, dude. Right here. Just cast right on the edge of the water line, John. There was probably about 10 of them. Hey, Scout, no.
Go, Scout. He's like, well, wait a minute, you let me keep you up.
I know. Oh my gosh. There was no way that was a pompano. I just got freaking smoked. Sitting on this color change. Oh, ready? I'm about to smoke one. I know. There he is, boys. Pompero chew. Nobody has to bow. Freaking John's doing raggedy things.
Trying to get this hook out without
Pompero. Whoa!
Scout, no. No, Scout.
Look at that stud. Oh, look at them all following. Look at them all right here.
Oh, right there! I just flipped it out.
Dude.
I'm trying to see if I can touch one right here on your meat.
Dude, I had... Chief, you tight back there? I'm suspect. Chief, there was probably 5 or 6 of them following me. Oh my God, look at it. Dude, what the heck?
It's just a jumbo pompano.
Yeah, Chief, you think you got a jumbo? Look at mine. We're in them now, boys. See if we'll come back for a third time. I was right next to the boat.
Really?
Yeah.
Try casting out the side. We definitely ought to try different areas.
Oh, right at the boat.
What?
Right there. Right there. Chief, did you see how close that was to the boat? Cast one to the left here. The pumps were sitting right on the outside of the color change in that clean water. But today was pretty weird. They didn't bite samplings that great. They bit jigs a lot better. So, you know, some days it's different. You just got to be prepared for everything out there. So, that's why we bring samplies, jigs, fish bites, the whole 9 yards. But Did alright, probably got about 30 head. That's hard for me to really film with a big camera. I got some footage on the GoPro, but we're just trying to fish, you know what I mean? But I appreciate you guys watching. Gonna try and get some more cool content like this. Let me know if you guys like the commercial pompano fishing. And gonna be doing a lot of mackerel fishing and more pompano fishing coming up this winter. Appreciate you guys. Moving weights out, baby.
They're doing the mess around. Everybody doing the mess around.